Paul, it's the penultimate day of Mach 2018, but in your reflection, what's been happening today?
Well, it's been really, really encouraging. We've had so many people through the aisles, so many people through the doors and around all of the stands. It's been really, really busy. It's really felt like the middle of the week. And, you know, I've only heard good feedback from exhibitors and I've only heard positive things from visitors. We're delighted with how it's gone so far.
And when you look at numbers, is it positive too?
It is positive. We're pretty confident that we're up on 2 years ago. So yeah, no, it's really, really good. And as I said, people are here with money to spend, which is making, you know, that's why people are at exhibitions, isn't it?
And direct feedback from the exhibitors?
Universally positive. The hall move has been really, really well welcomed. A lot of people have commented that there are more people from overseas. So some of the promotional work that we've done internationally, that seems to have been paying dividends. And we're pretty confident that we've got really good decision makers through the doors for our exhibitors.
And finally, the seminar area here, MTA, what's happening here?
Yeah, we're just about to launch a report that we've commissioned with Oxford Economics into the true impact of manufacturing. You see, we're fed up with people saying that manufacturing is only 10% of the economy and it doesn't really matter. We know that's not true. It's about half of exports, it's 70% of R&D spend. So you know what? Its economic impact's a lot bigger than that. So we've commissioned Oxford Economics to do an impact study for us and put some numbers behind there, and we're possibly up to nearly a quarter of the economy being dependent on manufacturing, and 7.5 million jobs.
And do you think the government's going to support this?
Well, we're hopeful that the government's going to give it a good reception, and we're really confident that it's going to make a difference and that it will change, or at least help to change, the perception of manufacturing.
Paul, thanks very much for your time.
Cheers, Mark.